Guys, a few days ago, while casually scrolling through YouTube, I stumbled on something that genuinely caught me off guard. I discovered a channel that has already crossed over 720,000 subscribers, yet it has fewer than 180 videos uploaded. That alone made me pause. What really blew my mind was the type of content they were posting. The entire channel is built around a single, simple idea. No fancy production, no complicated storytelling, just one adorable baby penguin spending time with a human. That is it. Every video shows the penguin doing everyday things. Walking around, playing, eating, resting, enjoying the snow, and just existing alongside its human companion. They move together, explore together, and share these calm, wholesome moments. And somehow, people cannot get enough of it. Now, here is the crazy part. When you click on the popular videos, the numbers are unreal. 29 million views, 26 million, almost 20 million views on multiple uploads, and this is content aimed at a US audience, which means each of these videos has massive earning potential. But there is a problem. This channel is not monetized with the YouTube monetization program. This means they are losing a lot of money. Do not panic. I will show you how to create this type video with AI, improve it, make it monetizable, and start earning money on YouTube for free. Start by opening ChatGPT. You can use other AI tools like DeepSeek or Gemini, but I personally stick with ChatGPT because it is fast, clean, and very beginner-friendly. Log in with your Google account, and once you are in, you do not need to think or brainstorm from scratch. I have already done the heavy lifting for you. In the video description or pinned notes, you will find a complete set of ready-made prompts. These include both image prompts and motion prompts. Simply copy the first prompt set, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will produce 6 fully structured scenes. Each scene comes with clear motion instructions, describing exactly what the penguin is doing, how it moves, how it interacts with the human hand, and how the environment should look. Lighting, mood, and setting are all included so you get consistent results. Once all 6 scenes are generated, you will reuse it every time you want to create new images or animations. Step 2 is creating your images using Google Whisk. This is where your visuals start to come alive. Google Whisk is a free AI image generator that delivers ultra-realistic results with almost no effort. Start by logging in with any Google account. Once inside, you get to generate free images every day. Now head back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, and paste it into Whisk. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, either 9:16 for shorts and reels, or 16:9 for YouTube. Then, click Generate. In just a few seconds, Whisk produces a clean, professional-looking image of your penguin that feels like it was captured with a real camera. Repeat this same process for all your prompts. The consistency is what matters here. What makes Whisk special is how it upgrades images automatically. Even if your original image looks flat or low quality, Whisk sharpens it instantly. The lighting becomes more balanced, colors look richer, textures appear more detailed, and shadows feel more natural. Noise gets cleaned up and details are enhanced without ruining the original style. There is no Photoshop involved, no manual editing, no technical skills needed. You upload, click once, and the image is transformed. This makes Whisk perfect for AI videos, thumbnails, animal content, product visuals, and cinematic scenes. Your frames instantly look cleaner, brighter, and far more eye-catching. And the speed is what really sells it. One click, and your image looks 10 times better. For YouTubers, this means stronger thumbnails and better click-through rates. For editors, it means saving hours of work. And for everyone else, it means professional quality visuals without expensive cameras or software. Step 3 is animating your images using Grok AI. This is where everything starts to feel real. Once your images are ready, Grok AI helps you turn static pictures into smooth, cinematic motion. Open the Grok AI link in the description and log in or sign up for free. As soon as you are inside, you get free daily image and video generation usages, which is more than enough to create multiple short video clips every day. Now here is the process. Click Imagine. Ensure you select video. Upload your first image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the motion prompt you generated earlier and paste it directly into Grok AI. Once you click Generate, Grok AI takes over. In just a few minutes, you will get a clean, smooth, realistic video clip of your penguin in motion. The movement feels natural, the depth looks real, and the animation blends perfectly with the original image. Repeat this same process for all 6 images. Each image becomes its own short animated clip, full of life and subtle motion. When you put them together, it feels like a real scene unfolding, not an AI experiment. What makes Grok AI stand out is how well it understands movement. The motion is fluid, the timing feels right, and nothing looks stiff or robotic. Even though the videos are AI-generated, they have a live-action, cinematic quality that works perfectly for storytelling and faceless content. Grok AI is built for creators who want high-quality visuals without complicated editing. You upload an image, add a prompt, click once, and the animation is done. No timelines, no keyframes, no learning curve. Whether you are creating AI animations, animal videos, storytelling clips, or short cinematic scenes, Grok AI brings your ideas to life quickly and cleanly. If you are serious about creating content at scale, this is a tool worth testing. Once all your clips are ready, it is time to bring everything together into one polished video. This is the stage where your videos become monetizable. The editing process is what separates random AI clips from content YouTube actually wants to push. You can use any video editing software you like, but I personally recommend CapCut because it is simple, free, and powerful enough for professional results. Start by importing all your AI-generated clips into your editor. Arrange them on the timeline in a logical order so the story flows naturally from one scene to the next. Next, focus on audio. This part is extremely important. Add sound effects that match what is happening on screen, then include a voice narration and background music. As a general rule, YouTube prefers AI content that shows clear human input. Narration, sound design, and editing are strong signals that your video adds real value, which helps with monetization. For sound effects, you can use copyright-free libraries like Pixabay or CapCut's built-in audio tools. For voiceover narration, Google AI Studio is a great option. It is free, realistic, and works perfectly for this type of content. Once your audio is in place, add smooth transitions between scenes so nothing feels abrupt. If it fits your story, you can also layer in subtle effects like falling snow, soft light glows, or gentle motion overlays. Preview the entire video from start to finish and fix anything that feels off. When everything looks right, export your video in 4K resolution. Let's see the full preview.
A gentle human meets 2 curious baby penguins, beginning a quiet friendship in the snow. They walk together slowly, learning trust with every careful step across the frozen ground. The human shares fish calmly, while the penguins eat peacefully, close and unafraid. Soft snow falls as they rest nearby, breathing together in a moment of warmth. Laughter stays silent as gentle play unfolds.
This niche performs incredibly well, is easy to produce, and has massive demand. And the best part is that you can publish your videos across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Do not overthink it. Start today. Create your videos, publish consistently, and learn as you go. I will see you in the next video.